Want to automatically generate your social media posts from the latest news using N8N? Let me show you how. First, create a new workflow in N8N, click the plus button, and search for RSS feed read. Add the node and paste an AI News RSS feed URL, such as Planet AI's RSS feed. Next, choose how often you want the workflow to check for new articles. For testing, you can run it manually or set it to run every minute. In a real setup, I recommend every hour or once a day. Now add a basic LLM chain node and connect it to the RSS feed node. In the prompt section, paste the prompt. Next, we need to connect an AI model. Click Add Chat Model and search for OpenAI Chat Model. If you have an OpenAI API key, create new credentials and paste your API key. Some N8N cloud accounts occasionally include trial credits or pre-configured credentials, so check your workspace first. If not, you'll need your own API key. Alternatively, you can use Google Gemini with a free API key from Google AI Studio. Select your preferred model and save the credentials. Now connect the chat model to the basic LLM chain. Click Execute Workflow to test it. In a few seconds, you'll see a complete post generated from the latest news. That's it. Your workflow is now complete. Whenever a new article appears in the RSS feed, the article is sent to the AI model, and the AI generates a post automatically. After reviewing the post, you can go ahead and post it on your social media. Comment, prompt, and I'll provide the ready-to-copy prompt I used in the tutorial. Follow for more N8N and AI automation tutorials.